I am going to build a custom 2-layer Victorinox SAK. The tools will be taken from a discontinued Victorinox Motorist and a new Victorinox Mountaineer. The main tools I will be salvaging will be the fine technician screwdriver from the Motorist and the stainless steel file from the Mountaineer shown at the bottom of the picture. The Motorist already has the file and is much less aggressive in cut compared with the Mountaineer. I will be showing this build in several parts. The first part shows one technique to remove the scale from your Victorinox. This video also shows some of the tools I use to do the custom build, including some tools from the Victorinox range. First, remove the toothpick and the tweezers. We are going to use the toothpick as an aid later on. My main tool to remove the scale is a Victorinox watch opener. It is relatively inexpensive, has a thin and even edge. This tool has many other uses and the quality is excellent. You can also use the standard can opener. However, the edge has a bigger bevel and the bevel is not sharp nor even, especially the bevel on the Mountaineer. The bevel on the Mountaineer is uneven and skewed to one side. This is the bevel on the Mountaineer. It is neither sharp nor even. If you have a can opener, take a close look to see whether the bevel is symmetrical. This is the bevel from the discontinued Motorist. You can check for bevel symmetry by looking at the apex or tip. Now, let's get back to removing the scale. Aim for the sharp corner of the slot where it is easiest to slide the knife in. Once the scale breaks free, you can slide the toothpick in between to create tension on the other pin. If you like to see other examples of how I use my Victorinox, check out the links in the description. And here we have it. The scale pops out. Notice that the old version scale does not have coring on the plastic. As a result, you will notice most of the old scales have sink marks on the exterior surface. As a comparison, I am showing the removal of the scale on the Mountaineer. It seems like it's easier to remove as compared to the Motorist. That concludes the part of removing the scale. In the next video I will show the removal of the pins and collars holding the liners. Do note the emphasis of these videos is more on tools and technique rather than a complete step-by-step guide. Thank you for watching.